In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moomoo Earnings Calendar. The Earnings Calendar is a powerful planning tool because earnings announcements often spark big moves in stock prices. By knowing when companies report, you can prepare for volatility, set alerts, and build strategies with more confidence. First, let's open the Earnings Calendar. In the Moomoo app or on desktop, head to the Markets tab. Choose the market you're interested in, such as the US market, then tap Earnings and open the Earnings Calendar. You'll see a clean calendar view that highlights which companies are scheduled to report on each day. This layout makes it easy to scan the week ahead and spot busy reporting days. When you want to see exactly who's reporting on a specific date, simply tap that day on the calendar. You'll get a list of companies reporting earnings, along with helpful details like the company name, the earnings date and time, market cap, and the expected earnings figures. Those details can help you quickly gauge the size of the company and the level of attention the report might attract. Pay attention to whether the release is before market open or after the close, because timing can influence how you plan your trades. If you're looking for something specific, use the search and filters to narrow things down. Tap the search bar and enter a stock ticker, like a well-known tech name, to jump straight to that company's upcoming date. You can also tap the filter icon to sort results by market cap, release time, or stock type. This is especially useful if you prefer focusing on larger companies that can move indexes, or if you only want to see before market or after hours releases to match your trading schedule. Next, set up earnings notifications so you don't miss key moments. Select the company you care about, tap Add or Alert, and add the event to your phone calendar. This way, you'll get a reminder before the report drops. Make sure your device notifications are enabled so the alert reaches you in time to prepare. Finally, put the calendar to work in your trading. Many traders buy ahead of earnings if they expect strong results, short ahead of earnings if they anticipate weak numbers, or trade the volatility that often follows the announcement. Earnings can move prices sharply in a short period, so consider your risk tolerance, plan your entries and exits, and always use the calendar to stay one step ahead. That's how to use the Moomoo Earnings Calendar to find opportunities, set alerts, and prepare for the action around earnings season.